Sorry, my dad was speaking. Okay, so you can put it right here. Okay, Izzy. And if the tower falls down, then you're eliminated. Lindsay. Oh, the tower fell down. Oh, I forgot to roll dice. Okay, okay, I'm gonna see the video later. So I only have 5 marshmallows on that plate, and if I call your name, come up and get your marshmallow. So the first marshmallow goes to Jeff. Lindsay, no. Sadie, Izzy, and the last, no. Katie, yay! And the last one goes to Courtney. Sorry, Izzy. Lindsay, you're out. What? I can't go. Why? I want to go. I want to be the winner. And I want to do stuff as a star. You're now into the top 5 contestants. Alright, so that is it for our program. See you in the next episode of Total Drama Island.